Gregor Johann Mendel, the man known as the father of modern genetics, was an Augustinian priest born on July 20th, 1822. He is most famous for his experiments involving pea plants. Around 1857, Mendel began breeding garden peas in the Abbey garden in order to study inheritance. In his early studies, he worked exclusively with white flower pea plants and purple flower plants. By cross-pollinating these plants, Mendel was able to study and document the inheritable traits. Each true breeding plant of the parental generation has identical alleles, one for the dominant trait, the other for the recessive. Union of the parental gametes produce F1 generation hybrids having a heterozygous allele combination. Because the purple flower allele is dominant, all these hybrids have purple flowers. When the hybrid plants produce gametes, the two alleles segregate, half the gametes receiving the dominant allele and the other half the recessive allele. This box, a Punnett squared, shows all possible combinations of alleles in offspring that result from a union of two F1 generation plants. Each square represents an equal probable product of fertilization. A homozygous dominant plant, two heterozygous plants, and a homozygous recessive plant. Mendel now had mastered the law of segregation. So what was he to do next? One day, while pondering his achievements in his garden, Mendel happened upon a very peculiar plant. This plant, instead of growing flowers, grew money. Mendel hit the jackpot, and using his knowledge of inheritance of the alleles of a single gene, he managed to produce fields of this very special plant. And, well, I guess the rest is history.
Looks like biology really does pay off.
Don't you forget about
Mendel.
Don't you forget about
Mendel.
Will you stand above me? Look my way, never love me.
Wake up, Friar Mendel. You have to make the pea soup.
I hate peas.